The table below shows the number of students who borrowed books from the school library in August. So part A, how many students borrowed less than 3 books? Okay, so that means this is 1 and 2. So students borrow less than 3 books, which means 1 or 2 books is equal to, is basically 82 plus 34 lah. 2 plus 34, okay, in this case 82 plus 34, 116. Okay, so that's the answer, 116. All right, let's move on to the next question. Part B, the number of students who borrowed exactly 4 books was approximately 24%, rounded to the nearest percentage. What was the smallest possible number of students who borrowed exactly 4 books? Okay, so we, in a way, need to get a total. All right, so first we need to get a percentage of not percentage of students that didn't borrow 4 books. Right, oops, 4 books, which is equal to 100 minus 24. In this case, 76. Double confirm with the calculator. Minus 24 equal to 76%. Okay. All right. Okay, next one is number of students that didn't borrow 4 books. Okay. Number of students that didn't borrow 4 books is equal to, let me zoom out a bit, 82 plus 34 plus 30 plus 116. Okay, so we know it's 116, then plus everything else, right? 6 plus 30 plus, not 116, 16. Okay, plus 16, and this will give us 162. Right, 162. Let me double confirm again. 82 plus 34 plus 30 plus 116. Okay, 162. Very good. Okay, so that means what was the smallest possible number? So 76%, okay, is equal to 162 students. Right, so 24% will be, right, 162 divided by 76 times 24. Okay, let's see what's the answer. Divided by 76 times 24. Okay, 51.15. Okay, we get 51.15. Okay, so we want to check, right, what's the smallest possible number. So for this, if there are 51 students, okay, then that means total will be 162 plus 51, which is equal to, let's see the calculator, 2 plus 51 equal to 213, right? And then percentage of students who borrow 4 books, percentage of students that borrow 4 books is equal to if there are 51 students that borrow 4 books, okay, then the percentage will be 51 divided by 21.3 times 100%. Okay, and what percentage would that be? So 51 divided by 213. Okay, so 51, we cancel everything. So 51 divided by 213 times 100, 23.94. 3.94. Okay, so let's go to, so this will round up to the nearest percentage. This will then become 24%, right? Let's try 50%. I mean 50 students. Okay, so if there are 50 students that borrow 4 books, 162 plus 50, right? This will then become 212. Percentage of students that borrow 4 books will be 50 divided by 212 times 100%. So let's see. So 50 divided by 212 times 100, and this will give us 23.58. 23.58 dot dot dot, and then that means this is 24%. Okay, so that means you can try 49, but I believe 49 cannot. Right, so if 49 will be 211. Right, 49 divided by 211 times 100. Okay, 23.22, so cannot already. So 23.58. So that means 50 is lower than 51, and 50 rounded is 24%. Okay, all right, so that's why the answer is 50 students.